What if every single time you swipe your debit card at the grocery store, at the gas pump, even when you paid your Netflix bill, you were automatically buying Bitcoin? No trading, no thinking about it. It just stacks. That's exactly what the Fold card does. And I'm breaking down everything you need to know right now. Okay, so here's the deal. Most of us have a checking account, right? You deposit your paycheck, you swipe your debit card, money goes in, money goes out. And at the end of the month, your bank has made money off your deposits, off your transactions, and you got what? Maybe some points towards a hotel stay that you're never going to use? Bitcoin fixes this. And specifically, the Fold card fixes this in the most beginner-friendly way I've ever seen. Because instead of earning airline miles or cash back in dollars that just kind of sit there, you earn Bitcoin, actual sats, every single purchase. So let me explain what Fold actually is, because it's not exactly a bank. It's more like a Bitcoin-powered financial platform. Here's how it works in plain English. You sign up for Fold. You load money into your Fold account just like you would a normal checking account. They actually give you a real account and routing number so you can just set up a direct deposit. Your money sits in there, USD, totally normal. The Fold gives you a Visa debit card, the Fold card. You go out and live your life. Swipe that card for groceries, gas, coffee, subscriptions, whatever. It's just like a regular debit card. It works anywhere Visa is accepted. And here's where it gets fun. Instead of earning nothing, you earn sats. Bitcoin automatically deposited into your Fold account. And one thing I want to be upfront about for you guys, Fold isn't a traditional bank, but your cash balance is covered by the FDIC pass-through insurance through Sutton Bank, up to $250,000. So for anyone who's worried about putting your money somewhere new, that's a real safety net. Now, your Bitcoin rewards are not FDIC insured. That's crypto. You know how that works. But the cash side is protected. Okay, so let's talk about the actual rewards, because this is the part that makes the Fold card really interesting. First, you've got your base cashback in Bitcoin. For Fold Plus members, we're talking about that more here in a second, they earn Bitcoin rewards on everyday spending. We're talking regular purchases and reoccurring expenses like a mortgage payment, a credit card payment, all through ACH bill pay. So this isn't just a coffee shop spending. You can stack sats on your rent. That actually is kind of wild. But here's the part I think you guys are going to like. Every day, Fold gives you a daily spin, like a spin of the wheel, and you can win bonus sats every single day just by using the app. There's a chance, and yeah, it's a long shot, but there's still a chance to win a full Bitcoin from a spin. And I'm not saying you're going to hit that, but hey, a lottery ticket, right? You got a lottery ticket through your funding account there. They also have roundups. So if you're spending $4.50, Fold rounds it up to $5, and the difference goes into your Bitcoin balance automatically. It's like a micro DCA that runs in the background without you ever thinking about it. One user showed off 58,000 sats they stacked from roundups alone. They didn't even realize how much they had built up. Real quick, if you guys are finding this helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. It seriously helps the channel out a lot. And if you're new here, I do this kind of breakdown of crypto tools and Bitcoin strategies all the time. So hit the subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. So I mentioned the Fold Plus a couple times. Let me explain that real quick. To unlock the Bitcoin cashback rewards on your purchases, you need to be a Fold Plus member. Think of this as the premium tier. Without it, you can still use the card and the app and buy Bitcoin on Fold, which they say is one of the cheapest places to buy. But the automatic rewards on your spending, that's a Fold Plus feature. So factor that in when you're deciding if this is worth it for you. If you're someone who runs most of your monthly expenses through a debit card, the sats you're stacking could absolutely offset the membership costs and then some. If you barely use a debit card, maybe it's not the right fit for you, at least for right now, right? So who is this actually for? Honestly, I think this is one of the best tools for someone who's newer to Bitcoin and just wants to start stacking without having to constantly think about when to buy or how much to put in. You're already spending money on everyday stuff. Why not let the spending work for you? It's also really interesting for someone who's been in crypto for a while and just wants a passive stacking layer on top of whatever else they're doing. You're not replacing your mining rig or your DCA strategy. You're just adding another source of sats on top of it. The thing I'll say is, don't go in expecting to get rich from debit card rewards alone. That's not how this works. But as one piece of a bigger Bitcoin accumulation strategy, this is a smart move. All right, so here's how you actually get started. It's pretty straightforward. Step one, download the Fold app. It's available on iOS and Android. Step two, create your account. Go through their verification. It's a standard KYC process. Give yourself like 5 minutes. Step three, load funds into your Fold account. You can link a bank, set up direct deposit, or transfer from another source. Step four, activate your Fold card. It's a physical Visa card they'll send you. Step five, upgrade to Fold Plus if you want the Bitcoin cashback rewards, and then just use the card. That's it. If you guys want to check it out, I'll drop a link in the description below. Make sure to check for any sign-up bonuses. They do run promotions from time to time. All right, guys, that's the full breakdown on the Fold card. Bitcoin rewards on everyday spending, daily spins for bonus sats, FDIC protected cashback, works like a regular Visa debit. For anyone looking to add another layer to their Bitcoin stacking strategy, definitely worth looking into. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you already using Fold? Have you tried other Bitcoin reward cards? I'd love to hear your experience. Make sure you like the video, like this video, share it with someone who's been sleeping on Bitcoin, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure the bell notifications turned on, set to all. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day.